Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My birthday is in 2 weeks, so today we will be doing fitness water bottles using our Cricut cutting machine. I also created a fitness journal and I'll show you that as well. So I hope you're ready. Let's get started! And here I am just sizing up my template for my water bottle. I did have to change the height to 5.1 and the length to 3.49. And so now that we're done designing our water bottles, we're going to go ahead and put our 651 vinyl on our mat. And just remember that with Oracle 651 vinyl, you don't have to seal it. It's waterproof. And so we're just gonna line it. Okay, beauties, what we're going to do first is measure our waist before we start our fitness challenge. I haven't measured my waist since the last time I showed you all how to measure your waist, so I am pretty curious about what it says. So what we're going to do is just take our measuring tape. You can get one from your local Dollar Tree or at your sewing kit, and we're going to wrap it around our body. And it looks like it says 31. I'm kind of shocked because last time I measured my waist, it was about a 28. So yeah, but I do know that with quarantine, I've just been eating less, being active. So yeah, this fitness journey is definitely needed. And I hope you're ready. And now we're about to weed our cuts. I may come on camera and do a few. It just takes a long time. And for our tutorial to label our custom water bottles, we're going to need the labels we just cut out, transfer tape, the water bottles, scissors, and a scraper and a flattening tool. Let's get started. And the first thing we're going to do is to lay the transfer tape on our labels. Take our scissors and cut. Make sure it fits. Take off our transfer tape. And lay your transfer tape over your vinyl. Oh. And then we're going to take our scraper and scrape everything down to make sure it's secure onto the transfer tape. Then we're going to pull it up. I like to pull mine at an angle so I won't rip my vinyl. So this is our our front side. And we're just going to repeat the steps that we did on the other one. Okay, and now we will assemble our fitness water bottles. We will do the back part first. And I'm going to customize this one. And remember to always lay the middle part first. And this is my first time trying a fitness water bottle, so I normally put a name, and that'd be about as far as I get. But let's see. Just light scrapes on the vinyl if you're going to use a scraper. I normally use my hands because I don't want to scrape up the plastic of the bottle. And then we're going to pull it off. And if you get air bubbles, you could just lightly scrape against the vinyl with your scrapers to lay it flat. Lightly. And there you have it, your custom fitness water bottle. And here is my custom fitness journal that I was telling you about. I'm just going to go ahead and finish it and then put it together. And you're supposed to fill this up twice a day, so I do believe that I'm just going to use both of these. I'm going to go ahead and customize this one. Not sure yet because weeding that took a long time. And thanks for watching. I will be keeping my fitness journey updated through my shorts on YouTube, so be sure to stay around for that. Tomorrow start off day number 1. Today is the last day for the giveaway. Be sure that you signed up for that. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And for more videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious!